attack on Sansad. A controversial statement now coming in from Rahul Gandhi, the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, who says dogs are allowed inside parliament. Just an extension, in fact, to the shocking statement that came in from Renuka Chaudhary, who earlier, while defending her action yesterday, said those who bite sit inside the parliament.
Dog is the main topic today, I believe. कल क्या कर दिया बेचारे कुत्ते ने? यहाँ आया था क्या?
हाँ सर, यही है।
अलाउड नहीं है क्या? क्यों नहीं?
ऐसा कोई रूल बुक में नहीं है, बट
पेट अलाउड नहीं है। पेट अलाउड नहीं है, पेट अंदर अलाउड है।
So after Renuka Chaudhary said that those who bite sit inside the parliament, Rahul Gandhi only seems to be supporting her statement, because what he said is an extension to what Renuka Chaudhary said. Another controversial, bizarre statement this time around coming in from Rahul Gandhi, the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, who supports Renuka Chaudhary and says dogs are allowed inside parliament. And there are people around him who find it extremely funny, who break into laughter there, laughter fest happening around Rahul Gandhi when he says dogs are allowed inside parliament after Renuka Chaudhary said those who bite sit inside parliament. One would have thought that perhaps the Congress party would do some course correction, pull up Renuka Chaudhary and tell her not to make such statements, but you see support coming in right from the top. When you have Rahul Gandhi himself saying that dogs are allowed inside parliament. Let me go across to Ina. People find it funny around Rahul Gandhi because you hear them laughing as if he said something extremely humorous. What are we picking up social media?
Well, we are getting reactions from leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party to what Rahul Gandhi, said, which we just heard. Let's start with what Shehzad Poonawalla of the BJP had to say. He says that rather than condemn what Renuka Chaudhary did and said, comparing MPs in Parliament staff to dogs, Rahul Gandhi defends her. It is because he totally agrees with her antics and statements, be it on Sansad or on Sena. So a scathing attack there coming in from Shehzad Poonawalla. Now we've got another reaction from the BJP. This one's from Pradeep Bhandari of the BJP. He says, in fact, he's put this video as well that we played out for our viewers just now. He says when Rahul Gandhi was told dogs are not allowed inside, Rahul Gandhi pointing at Parliament said dogs allowed inside. Rahul Gandhi is comparing his own congressmen and opposition leaders to dogs. This is how Parivarwadi treat temple of democracy. So, BJP clearly upping the ante against Congress, against Rahul Gandhi specifically. And we'll have to now wait and see if there are further reactions from other Congress leaders on how Rahul Gandhi reacted to this entire dog controversy.
Absolutely. Let's play out that sequence once again. Rahul Gandhi also forgetting that there are MPs from all political parties. He himself is an MP who goes inside the parliament.
Dog is the main topic today. कल क्या कर दिया बेचारे कुत्ते ने? यहाँ आया था क्या?
हाँ सर, यही है।
अलाउड नहीं है क्या? क्यों नहीं?
ऐसा कोई रूल बुक में नहीं है, बट
पेट अलाउड नहीं है। पेट अलाउड नहीं है, पेट अंदर अलाउड है। Dog is the main topic today, I believe. कल क्या कर दिया बेचारे कुत्ते ने? यहाँ आया था क्या?
हाँ सर, यही है।
अलाउड नहीं है क्या? क्यों नहीं?
ऐसा कोई रूल बुक में नहीं है, बट
पेट अलाउड नहीं है। पेट अलाउड नहीं है, पेट अंदर अलाउड है।
So Rahul Gandhi says pet allowed nahi hai. When someone says allowed nahi hai, he says andar to allowed hai. Let's listen to how the BJP is responding to this. I believe we have a reaction coming in from Shehzad Poonawalla.
Renuka Chaudhary brings a dog to parliament, compares MPs, people inside parliament, staff, security to dogs who bite, and then Rahul Gandhi comes out and casually justifies it, says, dog ne kya kiya? Dog is the issue India is discussing. No, Rahul Gandhi. India is neither discussing SIR, nor is it discussing the dogs that are brought by your party leaders into parliament. It is discussing real issues. It is discussing Viksit Bharat. It is discussing 8.2% GDP growth. But the problem with people like you is that you all have replaced delivery with drama. You have replaced Niti with Nara. You have replaced national interest with Parivar interest inside parliament. And therefore, instead of disruptions and instead of having the dog drama, you should go for dialogue and ensure that work is done in parliament. But this is the same Rahul Gandhi who mocked Vice President and was making videos of a mimicry. This is the same Rahul Gandhi who blows flying kisses, who goes and hugs and then winks inside parliament. So what can you talk about decorum or respect for Samvidhanik Sanstha from Rahul Gandhi? Rahul Gandhi actually endorses what Renuka Chaudhary did. She abuses the common person. She abuses parliamentarians. She abuses parliament. She abuses our jawans. And Rahul Gandhi does exactly the same thing.
All right, so BJP, they're hitting out at Rahul Gandhi, saying Rahul Gandhi is only endorsing and defending what Renuka Chaudhary did. Let's once again listen into that sequence where Rahul Gandhi seems to be making a statement which seems to be an extension of what Renuka Chaudhary said.
Dog is the main topic today, I believe. कल का लाया था, कल का क्या कर दिया बेचारे कुत्ते ने? यहाँ आया था क्या?
हाँ सर, यही आया।
अलाउड नहीं है क्या? क्यों नहीं?
ऐसा कोई रूल बुक में नहीं है, बट
पेट अलाउड नहीं है। पेट अलाउड नहीं है, पेट अंदर अलाउड नहीं है। Dog is the main topic today, I believe. कल का लाया था, कल का क्या कर दिया बेचारे कुत्ते ने? यहाँ आया था क्या?
हाँ सर, यही आया।
अलाउड नहीं है क्या? क्यों नहीं?
ऐसा कोई रूल बुक में नहीं है, बट
पेट अलाउड नहीं है। पेट अलाउड नहीं है, पेट अंदर अलाउड नहीं है।
All right, so that statement of Rahul Gandhi has now created or added fuel to fire a controversy that was already ignited by Renuka Chaudhary when she said those who bite sit inside the parliament. Rahul Gandhi now saying pet andar to allowed hai. With that, we're slipping into a short break, but we'll continue to get you more reactions on